Today, we are going to learn how to implement virtual zoom gestures using OpenCV and Python. Yes, you heard that right. You can zoom in and out of images or videos using just your hand gestures or no mouse or keyboard needed. Your webcam becomes the controller and your fingers becomes a magic wand. Here's the idea. OpenCV captures the live video feed from your webcam. Using hand detection and tracking, we locate your fingers and measures the distance between them. As you move your fingers apart from the program zooms in. When you bring them together, it zooms out. It's like controlling your computer with Jedi powers. Step 1. Install OpenCV and any additional libraries for hand tracking like Mediapipe. Step 2. Open your webcam and start capturing frames in a loop. Step 3. Detect the hand and locate key landmarks, especially the tips of your thumb and index fingers. Step 4. Calculate. Calculate the distance between these 2 points. Step 5. Map these distance to a zoom scale. For example, a small distance would be 0.5x zoom, a large distance to x zoom. Step 6. Apply the zoom effect to your image or video frames and display it in real time using OpenCV's I am show function. Now let's make it a bit fun. So imagine your webcam is a tiny magical window. You open your hand slowly, the picture grows bigger, and you pinch your fingers, the image shrinks. So no button, no scroll wheel, just pure gesture control. Fun, right? Why is this useful? Gesture-based zooming can be applied in virtual presentation, photo viewing, apps, AR projects, or even controlling robots or drones. You are basically teaching your computer to respond to natural human movements. So, of course, there are some challenges. Lighting, background, clutter, and hand orientation can affect detection. It's also important to calibrate the zoom range to your comfort. But once it works, it's smooth, responsive, and surprisingly satisfying. So, to sum up, capture videos, detect your hand, track finger, landmarks, measures the distance, map it to zoom, and display the zoomed frames. Your hands now control the zoom, no mouse required. And that's virtual zoom gesture using OpenCV Python. Your fingers just became the remote control for your computer, and if you like this, don't just wave towards that subscribe button and like and share.